Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you how to install application for your headphones SOUNDCORE Space One on your Android device. You have to start by open Play Store, now go to search, click on search line and write SOUNDCORE. Now search, and you should install this application. Now open it, agree and continue, skip, allow, add device, allow. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!